All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol WKHS, Workhorse Group Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I want to state to all my first-time viewers and investors, welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your support and recognition to my efforts. I hope to continue to relay helpful and informative information and nothing less. Let's jump into this chart. So after the bears turning this one down, leveling off, today, the stocks definitely had a run here for Workhorse. Workhorse literally broke through resistance. It hung out in between that area for almost an hour and a half. And then quickly after, the bulls recovered from that point. And from that point forward, they were able to come back, break through the 50-day moving average, and they almost reached the resistance. They missed the resistance by a few cents and leveled off slightly below it at 23.69. Now the question is, could the bulls continue this momentum and go ahead and reach newer highs for next week? So let's go ahead and move our resistance level to its new points and our support. So great day for the bulls to have a recovery and get back into bullish territory. So we're going to have to see. But the one thing I do want to point out, this was the lowest point in the day when it broke through resistance. 2183 is a significant number. I'd write that down because if support gets broken through, I'd pay very close attention to how quickly is it reaching this number and if it even reaches this number throughout the rest of the week next week. So I'd write that down as an important number to keep in mind. Now, support is actually 2238. If 2238 gets broken through, the bears accomplished two things. They broke through the 50-day moving average, which is 2322. I'd write that down as well. As long as the bulls stay above that, it's in bullish territory. If the bears break through that and start to work their way closer to the support, we are definitely getting deeper into bearish territory. And once support is broken through, we are definitely in bearish territory. And the bears are going to continue to work their way down to newer supports and newer lows. So bear that in mind. I'd pay very close attention to 2238 if it gets broken through and what goes on here, or will it be used as support once again by the bulls? That's very important to keep in mind. I want to emphasize that because that already means that they broke through the 50-day moving average, the bears, significantly, and they're significantly on their way down to break through newer lows and deeper and further into bearish territory. So very, very important to keep in mind and pay close attention to. The new resistance level here is 2388, and the bulls have to break through this. This isn't like, can we get close to it and kind of hang out? No, the bulls need to break through that, turn that into a support, and reach newer highs and new resistance because the 50-day moving average is going to continue to work its way up, and it'll catch up to the price of the stock if it just kind of hangs out sideways. The bulls need to continue this rally, use this momentum that they got on Monday and continue to break newer resistance levels and newer highs. Now, if 2388 does get broken through, then we can also look back to the previous resistance level, which was almost at $24, which is 2398. That'll be significant if they can break through both of those. That's a 10-cent difference. Break through 2388, turn it into support, and then break through 2398. And if they can do that, they can be on their way back to these highs that were previously reached up here at the $24 mark, right? And some change, which was $25, $24.99, $24.98-ish area. And if they can break through that, this will see newer highs and newer levels. Remember, 25 is a significant and pivotal moment here for this stock to reach newer highs and see new resistance levels. But as of right now, this recovery got them back over the 50-day moving average of 23.22, and the bulls are going to have to continue this momentum, use this as support to continue to see newer highs and pull themselves further away from the 50-day moving average in an upward direction. We're going to have to see how this plays out on Monday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Share this with your friends and community, and for those of you that feel inclined and encouraged to subscribe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, but also click on the bell so that you guys can turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Thank you once again for watching, and let's make some money.